All right. So last lecture. I know it's a little sad for everybody, but we are gonna just go through some visualization tools in Python today, and I'm gonna run you through how I would use them on a real data set, and see how we use visualization tools in data science to like understand how data works, to understand how to interact with data, and make sense of data, which is really what data science is. So there are many different tools in Python that you can use. Today we're going to focus on this one, Plotly. It's my favorite for a few reasons. Number one reason is it's really easy to use. Number two reason is it produces some really cool interactive charts that you can actually modify and zoom in on and look at specific pieces of data. They're very interactive, and I'm going to show you that too. The third reason that I really like Plotly is that it has the built-in capability of exporting these charts. You can save them as an interactive web page and put it on your website. But you can also, with the click of a button, save each chart as a PNG file, a PNG file, that you can then put into a research paper or a PowerPoint presentation or use any way you want. Social media sharing, if you're that kind of a social media sharer. So Plotly is really good.